Sorry, Kathy. Hey, who's that back there? Huh? Whoa, watch out for those tree branches. Yeah, and I'm gonna do a replay for you, so when I get done flying, you can watch what I'm doing right now. Woo! Whoa, look at that beautiful lake. Stay away from those trees. Oh yeah. Where's he at? I don't. Yeah. Okay, I think I see him now down there. I'm down over here in the trees. Here I come. Gotta sneak up on you. Not even close. Wave! Wave! How we doing? Yeah, pretty windy day to fly, but put your hands out, I'll land on it. Not! You don't want to catch that. Those props caught me. Cut the hell out of me. No, you don't. You can catch the little ones, but these never.